India has launched its first successful trial for hydrogen powered railway. Now, this effort has been brought by Integral Coach Factory Chennai, and the idea is hydrogen for heritage. Now, the project aims to actually retrofit two of the 1600 horsepower diesel engines with hydrogen fuels, and it is establishing a nearly 3000 kilograms hydrogen refueling system at Jind in Haryana. Now, why hydrogen? So, hydrogen obviously produces zero emission, has good renewable targets to be met, and can be a lead for decarbonizing the industry. Also, it has high energy density, where one of the highest energy density ratio perfects for heavy transportation. So, when hydrogen and oxygen react, they form fuel and water, and this is what is the basis for the fuel cell. And we are aiming to have net zero emissions by 2070. Now, various applications for hydrogen fuel cell can be definitely transportation, as we already saw in the case of railways right now. Then power supply for the homes, portable energy devices for laptops, phones, and remote equipments for industrial operations and space explorations. So this was one of the very important researches by Integral Coach Factory, and an important trial that has been done. We will be covering many such important topics in the upcoming sessions, so stay tuned. Have a great day.